Hello, welcome everybody to channel Sube. Children, today I am going to discuss question number 9 of 2019 Physics MCQ paper, new syllabus. A weightlifter lifts a weight vertically up positive direction with his hands, the signs of the work done by. The statement A, his hands on the weight. Statement B, gravity on the weight. And statement C, the weight on his hands respectively are positive, 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 negative, positive, positive, negative, 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 positive, negative, 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 positive. The sign of work is what they want us to find. So let us mark the direction that they have given as positive. So upwards they have given as positive. So the weight looks like this. I just draw a diagram because so you can identify, you can understand easily. Therefore, so this is the weight. The first thing we have to think about is what they ask is work. What is the equation for work? Work equals force times displacement. So we have to now check the sign of each of these force and displacement. The statement A, his hands on the weight. What does his hands do? Hands push the weight upward. So the force given by the hands is directed to upwards. His hands on the weight. What does hands do? Give a force upwards by hands. The force is given by hands upwards. So what happened to the weight? Weight lifts, that means it moves up. It moves upwards. So this way is the displacement. So both positive. This one is positive, this one is positive because the direction is given for us to take as positive. So positive times positive, the resultant is positive. So that means this one is positive now. So statement A is finished, we solved that part. So this one is positive. Then is statement B, gravity on the weight. What does gravity do? The force, the gravitational force, the direction of gravitational force is this way, mg. This is what gravity do. So what happens to the weight? Does it move this way? No, because in the question they say it weightlifter lifts, then that means this one moves this way. So the sign of displacement is positive, sign of force is negative. So negative times positive, then resultant is negative. So therefore this one is negative. So that part also is finished. Then the weight on his hands respectively. What does your hands feel when you do this? The hands are pressed downwards by the weight. Our hands feel the force downwards because hands are pressed to this weight. So while we lift it, the weight tries to push our hands downwards. So the force on hands by the weight is directed to downwards. Force on the hands, on his hands. So it is downwards. but this weight moves upward, so that is positive, this force negative. So negative times positive, the resultant is negative. So this one is negative. Then the answer we have to choose is positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative. This third one is the answer. So thank you very much, children. I think you understood. If you haven't still subscribed my channel, please do it right now. Don't subscribe twice, then it will be cancelled. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.